Hey, it's Catherine from Cat's Green Kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. In today's episode, we will be whipping up a couple of fun dips for the Super Bowl. In the comments below, why don't you go ahead and tell me who you're rooting for. The two dips that we are going to be making today is a Kale-Tofu dip. It tastes amazing. And then we will be making my homemade ranch as well. So I hope you stay tuned and enjoy. Again, cook with non-stick pans. We are going to turn the stove on high. Add 1/4 cup of butter. I'm gonna let that melt. Add the kale. This has been rinsed and dried. The goal is to cook down the kale. Drizzle a little bit of avocado oil on top. Turn it down to medium and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. So we are going to assemble. I have already taken my tofu out of the container, and there's a couple of ways to get some of the moisture out of your tofu. You can either put it in a tofu press, or you can let it soak in a paper towel. You are going to just crumble your tofu into your blender. Add 3 tablespoons of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and about 1/4 cup of green olives, and blend. Next, add in the kale we cooked on the stove and blend again. Okay, this is what your dip should look like once it's all blended, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Our next dip, start out with plant-based mayo. Add this entire container of mayo into the bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 4 tablespoons of dill, a half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix well. If you want it more of a thick dip, you can keep it at this consistency. I like it a little bit thinner, so I'm going to add 1 cup of oat almond milk. And there you have it.